Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add Google reviews to your WordPress website. Quick and easy. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, then search widget for Google reviews and click install now. It's a free. Then activate. Open the plugin settings from your dashboard, then click connect Google account and enter your business details. Select your business to pull in up to 10 reviews automatically. Open the plugin. Choose from 40 plus widget layouts and 25 plus styles to match your design. Copy the provided shortcode, paste it into any page, post or widget area done. And that's it. Now your site has real customer reviews for added trust and engagement. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.